Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pork katsu curry. Start by gathering pork loin, panko, eggs, flour, onions, carrots, curry roux, and rice. Prep the vegetables and cut the pork into even slices for consistent cooking. Maintain oil at the right temperature to avoid greasy cutlets. Simmer the sauce until glossy and thickened, then plate with steamed rice and sliced katsu for best presentation and flavor. Coat the pork in flour, egg, and panko for a crunchy exterior. Heat oil to 170–175 degrees C and fry the cutlets until they reach a juicy interior and a golden crust. Use a thermometer so the oil stays steady and avoids burning. Rest the cutlets on a wire rack so steam doesn't make them soggy. Slice each piece against the grain for tender bites and easier plating with the curry and rice. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: Little Tree's Black Ice is my go-to car air freshener because it smells clean and keeps my car pleasant after cooking katsu. I toss one behind the seat and the ride home is much nicer. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Begin the curry by gently sautéing onions and carrots until they soften and develop sweetness. Add water or broth and simmer until vegetables are tender, then stir in curry roux a few cubes at a time until fully dissolved. Taste and balance flavors with a pinch of salt, a touch of sugar, or soy for depth. Simmer until the sauce coats the back of a spoon, then spoon over rice and sliced katsu for serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.